doing, everybody? Here again is Larry and my boys for another cheat meal slash food eating whatever. Back in February I did a Domino's eating challenge with a medium pizza and a large and some cinnamon twisty bread thingies, and I failed. It was bad, like it hurt. But I brought in some reinforcements and we're going to try this again. But today we're doing something a little different. What we do is I have two large pies. Okay, so not a medium and a large. I got two large pies because there are three of us, so hopefully that'll work. But instead of the cinnamon twisty breads, we are doing, oh boy, a brownie marble thingamajigga cookie, and oh, this smells so good. Yeah, even my dog's like, I'll have it. But just we're gonna attempt this, and this is retribution for me for failing. And hopefully we're gonna get through all this stuff, and if not, at least I know what we're having for dinner. So stay tuned. We're gonna watch our movie, do our thing with some sodas, waters, and all that fun jazz. And thanks for watching. All right, let's do it. Alright guys, so this is what we got going on right now. We just finished one large pie, so that's empty. I've been feeding my girl on the side, and you see my arm moving. She's getting all the crust. We still have one large pie to go, and then the cookie brownie, which I'm really excited for. So, keep watching, and hopefully we'll get through this. Thanks again. So here we are. We started on the dessert, which is a brownie cookie combo gorgeousness, and I think we all had like 2 pieces each. And
I had one.
He had one. I had 2. He had 2. So there's still like 4 pieces left, and it's killing us. So there's 3 of us. 2 large pies, not complete. Brownie cookie thing, not complete. He's gotten up to get drinks, I don't know how many times. So,
I'm like twice.
I'm dying here. But, we're trying, doing our thing. And I wanted some retribution for my February fail. And no, we're not gonna get it. So
maybe we try 4 people.
yeah, next time we need 4 people. That's what we need. So thanks for watching. We're gonna just basically sit back and die because we haven't done this in so long. And you guys be awesome today, and we'll see you later. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Adios.
Adios, amigos.
Help.